Time to feed the piggies! Drag the right food into the basins. Hooray! Hooray! Put the food into the trough so our piggies can have a solid meal. Ready. Keep up the good work. Don't stop. Ready. Piggies like to lie in mud. Fill the muddy puddles with sand from the heap to avoid the piggies from getting dirty. Hooray! Hooray! That's all. Let's bathe our piggy wiggies. Drag the piggies into the bathtub. That's all. Help Lucky the dog protect the carrots. Tap on the hairs so Lucky will chase them away. We did it! We did it! That's all. Lucky needs a training. Throw him the items and he'll bring them back. You're doing really great. You're doing really great. That's all. Help Lucky find hidden items. Tap on the earth heaps so Lucky will dig them up. Keep it up. Hooray! the grain from the sack. Keep up the good work. Keep up the good work. Ready. The hens are sated now and ready to lay eggs. Catch eggs with the basket. Amazing! Keep it up. Keep up the good work. That's all. Our hens have scattered all over the garden. Catch them and drag them into the pen. Keep it up. Amazing! Done! This is Rosie the horse. Let's feed her. Drag hay from the sheaf into the feeder. We did it! Hooray! That's all. Rosie's legs from hurting, we need to shoe her. Use the hammer to hit the nails. We did it! That's all. It's time to plow our garden. Put a collar, a saddle, and a plow on Rosie. Now let's make seed beds. Lead Rosie along the garden. She will plow. Keep up the good work. That's all. Meet Molly the cow. Let's feed her. Drag the food right into her mouth. Keep it up. Keep it up. That's all. Now Molly is sated and ready to give us lots of milk. Pull her udder to fill the basin with milk. keep it up. That's all. Now we need to pasture our Molly, water the lawn, and the plants for our cow will grow on it. You're doing really great. That's all. Our hens are hungry. Feed them with the grain from the sack.